everybody, I'm Chris from Joykie Bikes. Today we have exciting innovation for all the adventure seekers out there, the gravel bike CS-700C. This incredible piece of engineering will take your gravel riding experience to new heights. Let's get started. Before we hit the trails, let's take a look how to unbox and assemble your new e-gravel bike. Inside the box, you will find all the components carefully packaged to ensure safe delivery. We got wheel, frame, seat, handlebar, and a small box with the charger, pedals, and reflectors. It's very easy to open the box, by the way, I have to mention. All you need is a box cutter or whatever other kind of knife you happen to have. Next, carefully lift out the front wheel. Remove the axle by unscrewing it from the front fork. Ensure the removal of the cover paper as well. Next, carefully detach the two dust covers from the plastics and place them on the floor. Set up the frame in a vertical position, preferably using a stand, to facilitate connection with the front wheel. Adjust the angle of the front fork, which involves undoing the stem bolts to adjust the headset's compression. Proceed to reinstall the handlebar and stand faceplate by undoing the faceplate bolts. Take care to tighten each bolt slightly at a time. This prevents excessive pressure on the bolt, reducing the risk on the bolt failure, snapping, or stab damage. Attach the handlebar carefully to the stem. Properly fitting the handlebars onto the stem enhances control and handling characteristics. Ensure all the bolts are tightened to the correct torque, evenly and securely. You can just use 2 fingers to hold the handlebar attached to the stem while tightening. Here, you can adjust the handlebar reach, rotation, and control position according to your personal preference. Ensure a proper connection between the power supply cable and the internet cable of the display device. Take the axle and the 2 captive dust cover nuts. These are the parts that screw into the fork. Attach the dust covers to each side of the front wheel and screw the dust plugs cover into the bicycle hub. Align the front wheel with the front fork and carefully insert the disc into the brake. Now insert the axle from the left side and push it through. Then turn it clockwise or to the right. Next, we can prepare the seat post by loosening the bolt that holds the guts together, spinning the top plate 90 degrees so we can place the seat on it, and then spinning it back, tightening it down on the rails of the seat. Adjust the angle of the seat and lock the position. Check the angle, adjust it to fit your own bottom needs and comfort requirements. The back reflector will go on the stand below the seat, but make sure it isn't so high that the seat or your jacket will block it. The front reflector will go right on the handlebar. Make sure to look at the bottom of the threaded bar to find the R or L. It indicates whatever is left pedal or right pedal. The left pedal is the one that you will screw on backwards, so it's actually left tilt right loose on this case for the left side. Verify the proper functioning of the brake levers. Depress the brake levers and observe if the brake cables tighten and release correctly. Display provides valuable information such as speed, distance, battery level, and even allows you to customize your riding experience with different modes. The heart of this gravel e-bike lies with its powerful motor and long-lasting battery. The real motor of this gravel e-bike is a powerful and efficient performer, providing the perfect balance of power and range for long-distance adventures. The high-capacity battery ensures you can go to the distance, providing ample power for your performance. To turn on the battery of the e-bike, simply press the power button located underneath the frame. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds at the handlebar. The battery will turn on and the electric motor will be ready for use. Now, let's talk about the delayer. This precision engineering component allows you to switch between gears effortlessly, giving you the versatility to tackle any incliner or descent with ease. It's all about finding that perfect gear ratio for your preferred riding style. The timeless of the electric motor response is to accredit to the controller. The controller is the part of the e-bike that regulates the power output of the motor. It is responsible to ensure that the motor provides the rider with the just right amount of the power, no matter what the terrain or the rider's speed. The tires on our e-gravel bike are specifically designed to handle very tearing conditions. With their knobby tread pattern, they provide excellent traction on gravel, dirt, or even muddy surface. Get ready for some thrilling off-road adventures.